Get ready with me! So guys, I'll be telling you guys what my day is going to be like. I can't even do a bun with my short hair. No, I feel like I regret like having short hair. Ugh. So today, me and my mom are going countryside. I'm so excited to go to countryside. So guys, I was dyeing my hair, okay? I mean, the salon was dyeing my hair. And then when I was just doing this, look at that. And then guys, I went to the shower just now, okay? And then I see it over here. It's still here. What? I was panicking, guys. Like, oh my God, what is going on? I rate this like salon 10 out of 10, but what's going on with this? I'm gonna do my makeup now. We're not gonna do makeup yet, but I want to show you guys my outfit. Fit check! Wait guys, I have to put sunscreen on, because in Mongolia, it's summertime. Look at that shine. Come on. Glitter. Now mascara. Skibbity. Lastly, blush. Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna do a transform. So guys, I have to hurry this up. So I'm gonna use my Sol de Janeiro 87 perfume must. Guys, I am obsessed with 87 and 59. The purple one? I think, yeah. I just love the purple one and this one. Like, it's just amazing. Like, I love the smell, bro. Like, Sol de Janeiro, if you're watching this, I love your brand. Love it. Everybody out there, you guys should go get Sol de Janeiro ASAP. ASAP. Sol de Janeiro, I have like all these. Guys, go buy 68 too. I'm obsessed with 69. Then I really like the 62. It's original, so I like it. And it smells so good. Everybody, look at my mommy.
Looks like
Recording that. Mom's saying, like, she looks too fancy. Like, I love it. Alright, Mom, I need my attention now, so. Guys, I have another 68. Because I love the color and the smell. And of course, 40. Love 40. 87, great. 59, it's over there. So I'm too lazy to get it. Now the time ends. I hope you like it. Bye. Again. 87, great. 59, it's over there. So I'm too lazy to get it. Now the time ends. I hope you like it. Bye. Again.